Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. If you ever wonder whether you can play Animal Crossing on your PS5 in 2025, I've got the full scope for you right here. No confusion, just the facts you need. So, here's the thing. As much we love to see Animal Crossing available across all platforms, the truth is it's a Nintendo exclusive series. That means you won't be able to download or play it on your PS5 now or anytime soon, unless the Nintendo decide to change that, which, let's be honest, is highly unlikely. But don't worry, if you are into that relaxing, cozy, life sim kind of vibe, there are still some awesome alternatives you can check out right here on our PlayStation. First up is Disney Dreamlight Valley. It brings that same chill energy with fishing, decorating, and building relationships. Plus, it's got all your favorite Disney characters. Another great one is Cozy Grove. It's got that daily gameplay rhythms like Animal Crossplay. With a glossy twist, you explore, help out, friendly sprints, and make your island on your own. And coming soon, Hello Kitty Island Adventure is expected to land on PS5 in 2025. It's a super cute, cozy, and honestly feels like it was made for fans of Animal Crossing who are now playing on Nintendo Switch. So, even if Animal Crossing isn't played on your PlayStation, you're not missing out on the peaceful gaming experience. There are plenty to enjoy if you know where to look. Alright guys, if this helps you out, don't forget to drop a like, and if you're into God like this, hit like subscribe button so you don't miss out any future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.